Okay, let's look at least common multiple. Remember, a multiple of a number is any number possible via multiplication with another integer. So let's look at the number 8. 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, so the multiples of 8 are 0, 8, 16, 24, and so on and so on. 15 is not a multiple of 8 because there's no integer you could multiply 8 by to get 15. Okay, so the least common multiple is the smallest multiple besides 0 that two or more numbers share. So let's look at two easy steps to find the least common multiple. The example I'm giving you is of 20 and 12. Step 1 says you list the factors of each given number. And remember, the factors are the prime numbers which multiply together to make the given number. So 20, what numbers multiply together to make 20? What are 20's factors? Well, if you look at the prime numbers, it's 2, 2, and 5. And the prime numbers that multiply together to make 12 are 3, 2, and 2. Now, if that's not coming back to you, remember, 20, you could make 20 by saying 4 times 5, 20 times 1, or 10 times 2, but I just picked 4 times 5. It's going to work out the same no matter how you do it. And 4 is not a prime number, so you have to break that down even further to 2 and 2. Those are the prime numbers that make up 4 and 5 make 20. So the prime factors of 20 are 2, 2, and 5. Okay, so step 2 says multiply each factor the maximum number of times it appears in either number, but not both. Okay, so the factors that we have for 20 are 2, 2, and 5. The factors that we have for 12 are 3, 2, and 2. Okay, so just listing them out individually, 2 appears twice in both 20 and 12. Now the step says to multiply each factor the maximum number of times it appears in either number, but not both. So we're going to take 2 of those 2's from either 20 or 12, but not both. I'm taking them from 20, but again, you could take them from 12 and you'd still get the same answer. Okay, as long as you only take them from one number. So 2 and 2, we're going to multiply together. The next factor that I have listed is 5, so I'm going to add that to my multiplication. And then the next factor is 3. And there I have all of the factors, the maximum number of times they appear in either number, but not both. We multiply all those numbers together, 2 times 2 times 5 times 3, and we get 60. And that is the least common multiple of 20 and 12. And it's just that easy. 2 easy steps to find the least common multiple.